Hey everyone, so I made it in TJ Maxx. They have a few hoodies up. I'm gonna try to go through it. So we'll start right here. They have like Tommy Bahama. Let me pull out real quick or zoom out. There we go. Tommy Bahama, $13. This is gonna be 20, and you know it's a hoodie. Here we go. I kind of like this one. I wonder if I could find it in blue. Oh, Pink Floyd. This is 20. You know what? This is kind of cool. Just like an easy casual one, I think. You're going to see tons of Nickelodeon. That's $20. 17. This is like a really, really lightweight windbreaker. More Nickelodeon. This one's like Real Monsters. And we have like Reptar at the bottom. Nothing in the back. Oh, what's that? Cobra Kai. That's funny. Yeah. I know they have Cobra Kai shirts in like Spencer's. We have Picasso. That's 20.
That's in the Walmart too. Cobra Kai.
Gudetama for 20. I haven't seen this one yet. Nothing in the back, but the sleeve will have them. You have the NASA one.
I feel like that should be like white or
20.
Black or blue. The NASA one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
More Gudetama.
The brown is such weird.
Rick and Morty in white. And here's the back. We've seen this one before. They always have that one here. Let's see. This one's going to be 20. Savage. This is a long one. This is by Brooklyn Clothing for 15. American Eagle. $13. And then more Gudetama, but this one's different. Just says Gudetama like right in the front. And then here's the back for 20. Get this one out for you. This one's 20 as well. Oh, this Goosebumps one is different. I haven't seen it in tie-dye, but they have it in the tie-dye. Oops, put that back. Budweiser again, but only in the corner. And then here's the back. Oh, that says come in for a bite, so it has like little ghost on it. Columbia, Coors again. You're gonna see different variations of that. This is 20.
In Coors Banquet with Johnny drinks and Cobra Kai.
I don't know. And then here's the back. Daydreamer tie-dye or marbled for 20. There's quite a bit. Oh, actually no, this one says Tokyo. Michael Kors, $30. SpongeBob. You know, I had a SpongeBob sweater the other day and I was in a Walmart, but I only like it when the picture's in the back. I don't care for like a large font in the front unless it's a sweatshirt. And it was like of the slasher, what is his name?
Ashley.
Yeah. Here's the back. Somebody's like, SpongeBob socks. I don't know, they were playing with me. Then they started talking about plankton and stuff. I was like, okay. Yeah. I was like, hey, don't be dissing. $15. Champion. And then, hopefully we can find new ones. I mean, Tom and Jerry, I feel like we always find. You always could find this here, like this shirt. Here's a sweater. There's no tag on it. A lot of Toon Squad. Here's the back. Cobra Kai again. Oh, these are all Columbia. Nautica. This one's $59.99. Space Jam. Calvin Klein's $25. More Daydreamer. They have this marble print. Here's the sleeves. No price on it. Tommy's $59.99. It's kind of a nice Tommy. 2 pockets. Relax. $20. It's kind of funny. I don't think there might be. Yeah, here's the sleeve. Oh, and here's the back. Pac-Man. This one's new for 20. So here's the front. And then your sleeve. We got them. Then here's the back. It's a new one. These are all Columbia. See, National Geographic. This one's going to be the back. Then here's the front. These are 20. And the Tommy one. More Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes with Taz. Oh yeah, we might just end up seeing a repeat. Got more Bud. I like the sleeves on this one. This one's kind of cute. Then here's the back. Looks like a big donut. Not a mushroom, right? More Gudetama 20. Here's another Smurf. Let's see, for 20. And then here's the back. With his heart tattoo. NASA. That's 17. And here's the back. More NASA again. Looks like SpongeBob. These all, I think the rest, you guys, might be the same. This one says blessed on it. Tokyo, more Looney Tunes. Pac-Man, that says smile, just a simple one. 20. Oh, here's Avatar for 20 in white. And here's the back, which is kind of cool. I feel like the sleeves should have like a character or Appa, right? Or something. But it does say this on the sleeve.
Right on the sides.
Ooh, that would be cool. Yeah. The Simpsons. Oh, Treehouse. Huh. Wish this was a sweater. I mean, that's cool. And then we have Michael Kors. More NASA. Let me go to the other side. A lot of these like Hawaiian style print shirts. So it looks like these are $13. There is plenty here. Okay, here we go. Get those back. More Marvel. Okay. Oh. Picasso again. SpongeBob. Oh, I hope we find new stuff. A lot of Looney Tunes. More Pac-Man. It's a striped one. I don't see a price on it. Oh gosh, a lot of Looney Tunes in here. And more Picasso for 20. Scarface, which I think we've seen before, for 20. The back is different though. Look that up. He was Tony Montana. The world will know him by another name. The more Looney Tunes, right? 17. And this one just has the rose on it. Let's see. Vineyard Vines. The retails for 48 for 25. Here's the Calvin Klein hoodie. This is a simple black one. More Gudetama. Hidden for 17. Then it has, you know, the degrees on the side. Dare, to keep kids off drugs. Used to have that in school. I don't think they do that anymore. I'm gonna skip all these. These are just Columbia. Yeah, these are the same. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't want to say Toon Squad anymore. I'm over it because, like, I don't know. I'm not feeling that Space Jam one. They just need to have one Marvin the Martian. Something really simple. There's too much going on. Oh no. This might be a repeat, you guys. Here's a Brooklyn one. More Real Monsters. This one is 15. Oh, there's a Jack one. That's kind of funny. Never seen that one here. Picasso. Let me get to this green one. Expanded Horizons again. But this time in green. More Looney Tunes. Oh. Wow. Smurfs. Yeah, SpongeBob. Okay, what is this red one? Oh, we've seen that Horizon, Tom and Jerry. These are all the same.
A lot of them are just repeats.
Yeah, a lot of Space Jam. Nobody wants it.
I'm gonna do a lot of Tom and Jerry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This more Rick and Morty.
That's smart.
Here's this one. This one's different. And then let me get to this purple one. Oh, it's the NASA one. Okay, yeah. Krusty the Clown. Okay, this says $8. Here's the back. Bart. And then more Smurfs. These are 10. There's Tom and Jerry in there. $17. Okay, the Spongebob Sweatpants. Not bad for loungewear. They have the Rugrats. This is pretty cool. I like this for lounger. I mean, I like it. You know, I like Frank. Maybe if this was like a sweater, I would wear it. Here's this new Goosebumps one. Just a simple champion for $25. Adidas, $30. Some Nike. I'm just gonna go through the rack. More champion, $25. It's a nice green. I like that. Hurley Easy Zip Up for $25. They have Reebok. These are $20. And I believe, oh wow, this might do it, you guys. I don't see anything too new. See, here's a Nike one for $50. So it looks like they're bringing more sweaters out. Gudetama, Joshua Tree, and this is Joshua a tree right here too. And here's the back. Spread More Love, and here's the back. Was that Def Leppard? All right, you guys. Yeah, I think that is gonna do it for like this men department here. I was hoping to find more stuff. Maybe they're just getting ready to start bringing out all the sweaters and stuff, because normally that's where I buy my hoodies in the men department. These are just like underwear. Beer boxers. How funny, right? Rice Krispies. That's funny. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.